Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, Manchester United had just beat FSB, CB, FEG. Yeah, in Romania. And before we go any further, please drop a like on the video, subscribe, right? Don't dare for brand new. I'll bring on a guest at this moment. So referee, whistle. Let's go. So Rome, what do you think about the game? It was a good game. It was a controlled game. That much I can say. It was a control game. We controlled the first half and we controlled the second half. Didn't give them much. Defended very well. They had one chance in the first half and that shot, that blow. So I think it was the second half. That shot from about 18, 20 yards out. Sweet. They had a first half chance that was offside, but all in all, we defended very well. So I'm not going to hold that fight against Manchester United today. They played well. Fscb, DGG, whatever you call them, they weren't too much to write home about. They didn't attack very much. They just defended and hopefully they can get a draw. It didn't work out for them too well. Mainoo was good in the first half, was brilliant in the second half. I think he had one chance he should have scored. It was a good game. I'm not going to lie, it was a very good game. Second half, that's when the changes were made, and then the team opened up further. We had Garnacho on the left, Ahmad on the right, and it kind of spread the game a little bit, and that kind of made us a little bit more deadly. Garnacho's first chance in the second half, I should have scored, but I'm not going to fuss at Garnacho for that game because he played well. He played very well. I used to say that Garnacho's level, they done this one, he raised up a little bit because he played very well. Gave him two clear chances and score. Mainoo, of course, scored one. I'm not going to say anything about that. That chance that Bruno created from the edge of the box, boom, beat up the lower post. That was good too. So I'm not going to say, yeah, it was a good game. Mainoo assists, but Dallo, very good as well. And that finish from Mainoo, calm, collected. I think, and I'm going to give Rance his praise for this. Rance and Barnes, big up the blood, last because I think you were calling it off from day one. Put Mainoo further up front at left 10. And we saw it today how he can dribble the ball, can hold on to the ball, and make some quick, small passes. And if you give him enough chances, he'll score. So, will we see Mainoo in the left 10? Maybe, because he's playing deeper. Bruno playing up front. If they push Bruno back in the midfield, he can play the football he used to play and push Bruno up front further. We might be able to see something in the rest of the season. So we'll see, fam. We'll see. Aside from that, it was all good, fam. It was very good. It was very good. Okay. Who do you think is the standout performance here? Who do you think is man of the match? Man of the match? I just said Mainoo, so definitely Mainoo, man of the match. What do you think is going to happen for the rest of the season transfer market? When it comes to rest of the transfer market, you keep talking about Matters Tell, whatever one name. I don't know, fam. You're talking about Tottenham looking for him. It's gonna be difficult without us still having Garnacho and Rashford on the team. So if this is it, if we get this guy Dogo, that'll be it for the season, fam. We'll go back again next summer. So that was a good win. Manchester United, big up your self, yeah. Best of yourself, best of others, Manaz.